Steve! Babe, say hi.
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 What are we doing?
Walking on the nature trail. This is all what I'm collecting. This I got.
What do you got?
This is all what I'm bringing.
I'll just have to figure out how to piece the videos together.
Tap cut. You can tap it together.
Okay. We're looking for Sasquatch.
Did you see any slime? That's one in my thing.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Here. That means we might come across some sassafras.
Tulip polyp. Poplar.
What type of leaves are those? Sassafras.
It says tulip poplar.
Now we should find a...
Sassafras.
Yeah, sassafras. Mom. Sassafras. Just don't erase the first letter. Mom. Hey, Mom.
Hey, Dylan.
What? A sassafras bug. Does still in one of these places?
I don't know.
Because we've seen a guy find an assassin bug in this place and looked under logs and found him. That's not on this one.
No? Hey, babe.
Red oak. Look,
What
red
is
oak. Do you have red oak
A
in
trail.
there, Zachary?
You got red oak in there, Zachary?
Let me see. I picked up an egg so fast. More eggs.
How you doing, stranger?
Did you flip it?
I had to stop it, and it doesn't give me the option for some reason.
Oh! Look my hat.
I didn't see it. A stick. A hiking stick.
That's not thick enough. Oh! It's striking. Ew, look at that tree. Look on the sign. Now I can't read this.
Come on, Nanny.
Can you hold my stick? In my book. Can you hold my
Also,
stick?
I think once I get the
Come
Junior
on,
Ranger
to a
thing
full.
finished, I think I can get the badge.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Wait, come on into
I can already get one of the two things.
Yes.
Can you take my stick?
You turn me into a human?
Mm-hmm.
What's the matter, Zachary?
Can you take my...
No, I got my hands full.
Name two animals. Mom and Dad. Name two animals. Just kidding.
Can you take my stick?
No, hold your stick.
Oh!
Why does Zachary need your stick?
Stop it. I'm gonna go out and take it.
White oak. That's in my book. That's in my book. White oak.
Oh,
Kind of like birch. I want to look back here.
Oh, no, bird be out that way.
a what? You mean a creek?
That probably close to that spot where she's talking about.
What is that? There's lots of them. It's tiny, like this size.
Maybe chickadees?
A queen.
A police mom.
I'm coming.
Look in the
I
thing.
guess that girl didn't
Look,
look
there's
keen.
lots of them.
Oh, yeah. Look at all the little birds.
The queen.
Are those chickpeas?
I'm not sure.
We all
See
have
that? Yeah, I see all that.
What y'all see? What are you doing? Well, there ain't no fishes in that.
You know those stuff that will poke your foot that will.
Leaves? Does it have one of these leaves?
Probably have snakes and everything here.
That's what I was just thinking. Copperhead.
Does it have one of these leaves? Hang on, I'm checking this. Mom!
Dylan! What, baby?
I just got my
Needing the question, I don't really need my leaves.
Yeah?
Can I put it in you?
No, just put it back with nature.
This brings back
Maybe
some
just all
memories.
of it
Don't
off
it,
like
Mom?
this.
Yeah.
Don't it bring back some memories of Easter?
Yeah.
Down in Florida.
Look what will happen. Mom, stop walking.
Why? What will happen?
Look, Mommy!
What spider is that?
Where?
That's banana.
Where? No, don't get close to it.
What is it?
Move, Dylan.
That looks like a brown widow.
No, it's not.
What is it?
Could be an orb weaver.
It's big.
Oh yeah, let's just mess with it and make it mad.
I don't think.
What kind of bug is it? Ew! Dad, you had a fart. I accidentally did someone's dad's fart. Wait, does spiders count as an animal?
Insect.
The spider has a name. Wait, look. Spiders aren't insects.
Oh, the spider's name is Jake.
Name called flabbergasting.
Hey, babe.
Spider's name is Jake. Look, the spider's name is Jake.
I didn't know shirtless Jake was a spider.
Oh, Jake the spider.
Write that down. Write that down.
Hey, it would be funny if you seen it.
Oh, I don't know what this one is. Let me take a leaf sample.
That's a holly bush. Yeah.
That thing. That thing.
I don't know.
Can you read it?
Can I read it? That says Zoe. Come on.
Oh, look, Mom. Look down there.
Yeah, we got lots of walking to do.
Shirtless Jake is here.
What do you have to say to shirtless Jake?
I don't know. I don't know why he's short.
Shirtless Jake. You know, with Moo,
Yeah.
the cows, and Paw Paw, and
Yeah. Spiders and animals don't have clothes, so it's a naked Jake.
yeah, but what do you have to say to shirtless Jake in case he sees your video? What you think?
Subscribe to Tuck's Life.
Hey, Dylan, what do you got to say to shirtless Jake if he sees the video?
I don't have no video.
No, this video.
I think he'll just say,
Laurel was on there. See,
I don't know
Laurel was
you
on
know
there.
that.
Yeah.
Because him doesn't.
Well, which one of Jake's animals do you like the most?
My favorite is the goat.
That's him.
Well, he's got ball goat. You're thinking of, are you thinking of,
Ringo?
you thinking about Ringo? That's Lester's.
Uh-huh.
Jake has Moo, the big cow.
I want to name.
And
That's
Annabelle.
my favorite. Those are both my favorite.
Yeah.
Do they go horse?
They have a donkey. Remember the his name is Glenn. You remember seeing Glenn, the miniature donkey?
Yeah, that one I like.
That's the one you like. You think maybe Jake might make a video of the animals for you? Hey, do you want Jake to make a video of the animals for you? Dylan. Dylan. Dylan, look at me. Do you want Jake to make a video of the animals just for you? Maybe of Glenn the donkey?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll send this to Kim. Maybe
I'm
she'll.
gonna name my kid DJ.
DJ?
Thurperton Jake.
Oh Lord.
Thurperton Jake.
Y'all want to say hi to Kim?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Kim.
Wait, Mom, don't say yours.
Hold on. I'm trying to. There's a thing about this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cucumber magnolia.
Maybe. Just give us a minute.
Cucumber magnolia.
So what do you like most about Kim?
I didn't really get
get to see him.
Kim, Lester's sister.
Oh.
I don't really watch your videos.
Not of Kim, but you watch Jake's, so, and Lester's.
I don't know.
Kim has Levi, remember?
Never really seen that one.
I'll have to show you them.
I don't know. Maybe we won't. I don't know.
Maybe when it's brighter.
Mom! Is
When
it the one with the
We have
blonde
more
hair?
hours.
Is it the one with the blonde hair?
No, that's Jamie.
Jamie. I used to have the biggest crush on her.
On Jamie?
The one cartoon character I didn't have a crush on. Not cartoon character.
Mom,
but
that's
the
a
one
queen.
cartoon that wasn't a cartoon
Oh,
character.
that's quite one.
Oh man, look at that, babe.
Witch Hazel.
Witch Hazel? Where? Oh, okay.
That's actually a type of.
Let's go down that way because this is where it is.
That's cool.
Ooh. Bunch of rocks.
That is nice.
I know, I was looking.
Oh! That's gonna be fun!
Look at this.
Some.
I bet when there's a lot of water, it's a little waterfall.
It has to be.
Yeah.
So we're going up this?
Sure.
Yeah.